Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add AI speech on your videos using InShot app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now I have here a video on my InShot video editor app and I'd like to go ahead and add AI speech. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this audio and from here, you'll see this option called AI speech. From here, you have an option to choose the language that you so wish, and also you can choose the gender, whether you want the speech to be narrated by male or female actor, and all those options are here. Once you are done, go ahead and paste in here. You will need to have a speech, so that is the words or the wording that I want to be turned into a speech, and I'll tap on OK. Once you are done, now you'll have to sign in here. And I'll do so with Google, and this is for free. And now this will go ahead once you have signed in and begin generating the speech depending on the amount of words you have. And as you can see, it is done and the speech has been generated. So once you're done, now you can go ahead and check this mark to complete your process. And now we can go ahead and listen to it.
A spider-like window crawler with nanofiber cleaning pads traverses glass surfaces.
Look at that, the speech has been added, and that is an AI speech that has just been added to my video.
Window crawler with nanofiber cleaning pads.
Great. So by following those simple steps, you'll be able to add AI speech on your videos using InShot video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.